Declan. And hi, this is Sophia.
I'm Sophia.
And Sophia Man and Sophie Declan.
Welcome over.
We are coming to see you because we are robots.
Okay, you're being silly.
Now, on the channel 3, you will be on a commercial if you give us one more no. Yeah.
Declan, look at the camera. Say hi to Shannon.
Hi.
Say thanks for asking me to be in your wedding.
Thanks for asking me to be on my wedding.
Sophie, say hi Shannon.
Hi, Shannon. Thank you.
Cool.
What's that, Soph?
Thank you.
Say thank you for asking me
Thank you for asking me
to be in your wedding.
to make my wedding.
Mama.
Say love you.
Love you.
Why don't you two say bye?
Bye.
We miss you.
Miss you.
Miss you. See you later.
See you later, alligator. See you later, crocodile.
See you later, crocodile.
See you later, alligator.
That's okay, Rocco.
That's our dog, Rocco.
Why are you talking like a robot?
Because we said to her that we are robots.
Yeah, robots.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.